Think math.
6 values cause trouble. Put them in order and no single value stands exactly in the middle. The third and the fourth share that middle between them. The textbook says to average those two. Why the average? Why not simply take the third? Start by asking where the halving point is. To split 6 in half, you need 3 below and 3 above, and the place where that happens is the gap between the third and the fourth. With an odd count, a value is standing at that place. With an even count, the place is an empty gap with nobody in it. And anywhere inside that gap satisfies the condition. Any number greater than the third and less than the fourth leaves 3 below and 3 above, which is to say the halving condition on its own does not pin down a single value. We need one more rule. What rule should it be? Take the third and you lean towards the lower value. Take the fourth and you lean towards the upper one. To lean neither way, you want the place that is the same distance from both. There is exactly one such place, halfway between them. And the way to find halfway between two numbers is to average them. Let us check it. If the third is 12 and the fourth is 14, the median is 13, which is 3 from 12 and 3 from 14. And if the two middle values happen to be equal, say both 12, the average is 12 and the gap disappears entirely. It joins up smoothly with the odd case. So, with an even count, the halving point is a gap, and no single value is forced. We take the place that leans neither way, halfway between the two, and averaging them is how you find it. Next time, why the data must be put in order first. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.